And we're back to learn CapCut in year day 41. Let me show you the uniform scale. Just make sure that your element is selected in the timeline. If it isn't, left click on it. And then you will find under Video Basic the scale option. I've already shown you that. You can also reset the transform right here fully, but the scaling only works like that because I've got the uniform scale checked. That should be active by default, but if you left click on it, you now have width and height separated. So now you can scale your elements in CapCut separately, so the aspect ratio isn't kept anymore. When you check it again, this will keep the new aspect ratio that you've set, and you can scale it. So this is basically like a linking option between width and height, and you can use it, for example, to stretch your videos a little bit. But normally you want to have that checked, especially when you want to just scale a video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.